Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I got for the fall 2021 season. Now, I already have a ton of fall decor. I did not need any more by any means, but I did want to pick up a few things. I've got mostly pumpkins, some floral, and a few things for my coffee bar. So if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so first I wanted to let you know where I shopped. So I did go to HobbyLobby, of course, JoAnn's. I got a few things from Walmart, a few things from Dollar Tree, one or two things from Target, and a couple things from Amazon. So I guess I will start with the stores that I got the least amount of things. So from Dollar Tree this year, I only got a bunch of these like orange glass acorns and this cute little pine cone. My Dollar Tree is always picked over when it comes to holiday decor, or they don't get it, or we get it super late and you kind of have to be there right when it arrives, or else it's super picked over. So I don't really score at Dollar Tree, which makes me sad. I hear they had a ton of cute stuff this year, but I will keep my eye on the lookout. But I did get some more of these gold ceramic pumpkins. I love these. I have a ton of these already, but you can never have too many in my opinion. And then lastly, these two little gourd pumpkins here. This one's kind of funky shaped, so is this one, but I really love the metallic gold color. And that is it from Dollar Tree. And then from Target this year, Target again is always picked over in Las Vegas, always, no matter which one you go to, especially the Target dollar spot. But I did find these two sets of like tiered stands. It did come in a natural wood color and then the black, but the black definitely goes better with my home decor than the light wood. But they are a set of 3, so we've got 3 little stands here. They were $5. I will try to link everything I can down below. Like for JoAnn's and HobbyLobby, I got half off or 40% off, so I don't have the exact prices, but I will link everything that is still available online if you guys want to purchase. But yes, I got these from Target. Bunch of risers. These are always good to have. All right, and then from Amazon, I only got 2 things. I feel like their stuff is really overpriced when it comes to holiday decor. You can find a lot better deals at Hobby Lobby and Michael's and places like that. So I did get these straws here for my coffee bar. There is gold, orange, and white. These were only $3.99, so this was a good deal. And then also from Amazon, I got a ton of these fairy lights, the battery operated fairy lights. I did get them in an orange color for fall. Here I wanted to show you guys what they look like. Super cute little accent pieces. You can put this on anything. These are so good to have. I have some red and green ones for Christmas, and these are super cheap. I don't remember exactly how much, but I know it wasn't over 10 bucks for all of these, so great deal. All right, and then for Walmart, they did have a lot of the same stuff that they had last year, so I didn't get too much from them, but one thing I do love from them is from the Great Value brand. It is their candles, and specifically the ones that look like this. They just have the Great Value brand. I know they have an apple, they have teak wood, they have a bunch of like spring scents, but this one, I've already burnt it as you can see. I love this. And this was like less than $6. I think it was $5.98, but I mean, you can't even get a Bath & Body Works candle for that price, even when they're on sale, even with coupons. So I got like 4 or 5 of these. I kind of went crazy, but I absolutely love this scent. The throw is just as good as a Bath & Body Works candle for a fraction of the cost, guys. This fills up my whole house, and I have a pretty large downstairs. It is so, so good. Highly recommend this one. And then I got this cute little sign for my kitchen. It says there's always something to be thankful for. This was $4.98, again from Walmart. Really cute little cutting board. And then the last few things I got were pumpkins. These came in a set of 3. I got it on walmart.com. They are like the taupe beige cream. They're kind of in between that color, but they do have some gold accent on the top there. Really pretty. I got 2 in the cream color and 1 in the traditional orange. This has the gold paint on top as well. These were, I think, $19.98 for a set of 3, so that's a good deal. That is it from Walmart. So now we will move on to Hobby Lobby, my favorite place. They had so much cute stuff this year. I did buy a ton of stuff from them last year. I will share with you guys a few things that I did buy last year that you can still find this year if you guys are interested. So I'll show you that at the very end. But first, I wanted to share with you these cute little bags of pumpkins and acorns. I already opened this one, as you can see. I kind of started playing around with it, but I got 2 bags of these velvet pumpkins. and these were $7.99 a piece, and then I had 40% off. So, all right, next up, I got a ton of these, like, they're technically like place card holders. They've got like little slits on the top, but I got 4 of these, 2 in the Thankful, 2 in the Blessed, but they're super pretty, white with like a leather like applique there, and it says Blessed and then Thankful. And I thought these were really pretty. Love these. These are perfect to put on like a tiered stand or just anywhere to have an extra little touch of fall. All right, next up for my jar fillers. Now I'm gonna be filling a ton of my apothecary jars with leaves, acorns, and these little corn ears, ear corns, whatever they're called, but super cute little corn. Love these. They look like Indian corn. There's a red, orange, and a yellow. Really adorable little corns. I already used like 2 of these around my house, but I did get these little pumpkin spice sachets. They're like fragrance sachets. Smell really good, very cinnamony, but I absolutely love these. These will smell up your whole house. You can put them in the drawer with your clothes. You can put them like under your garbage. These are so great. It makes everything smell good. All right, next up for my kitchen, I did get this really, really cute pumpkin rolling pin. So pretty, love this. I'm not actually going to use this to make anything. It's more for decoration, but really, really love this, super cute. Same with these are going to be decoration only, but I did get a pumpkin spatula here. It does have like measurements on the back, which is really cool, but this was like $4.99. This spoon was $7.99. It says pumpkin everything, with a little orange bow and little silicone little thing here. Really cute, love these. These are gonna go in my kitchen. All right, next up was this adorable pot holder. So, so cute. I already popped off the tag, but I wanna say it was like $5.99 or $6.99, but it's so cute. It says Hello Pumpkin in the shape of a pumpkin. Love that. Not gonna use it, it's gonna be for a display, but so cute. I thought this one was really, really sweet. It was only $3.99. These are perfect for like a tier tray or something. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Maybe in my coffee bar, I don't know. But Fall Sweet Fall, it's a tiny little orange cutting board. Look how small it is, it's so cute. Love that. And then next up for $9.99, I got these little enamel spoons with the enamel pumpkins on the top. Really cute, perfect for my coffee bar. Then I got these little tags. They were $3.99, 40% off. Harvest, Fall, and Pumpkin. These are perfect to put around jars or mugs, anything like that. Love that, super cute. How many times am I gonna say super cute? I know. All right, next up is this sign for $5.99. It is pumpkin spice coffee bar. Really love this. I thought it was gonna be bigger, which kind of makes me sad, but still cute nonetheless. Got that. Love this one. This is the epitome of me in the fall. I love me a pumpkin spice latte like every other girl out there. They are so good. This one says pumpkin spice lattes please, and it was $3.99. Love that so much. Now that I'm pregnant, I've had to cut down on my coffee consumption so much, and it makes me so sad because this is the best time for hot coffees in my opinion. So my 1 cup a day will definitely be a pumpkin spice latte. All right, next up is this I Love Fall Most of All. It is a book stack. It's got little beads with little leaves on top, super cute. These were really hard to find. This was $9.99 and then 40% off, but these were sold out online everywhere. I really wanted one to put in my tray on my island. You guys will see in my fall decorate with me. Stay tuned, I will be filming that after this because I did want to show you guys everything that I got. So that will be coming, but I got that. Now I wanted to get a mug, just one simple mug to put on my Keurig for display purposes, and it was so hard to choose, but this one kind of sums it up for me. Pumpkin spice everything, so cute. Look, there's pumpkins inside. Got these cute little enamel pumpkins as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these little mini pumpkins, but they are cute nonetheless. But I do love this mug so much, and it's so big. Love this mug. Maybe I'll actually use it, who knows? All right, again for my coffee bar, I got this But First pumpkin spice latte. So cute, I love that so much. This will be hanging over the handle on my coffee bar, so you guys will want to stay tuned. I will be making a video about that. Now this sign, guys, I waited for HobbyLobby to get this back in stock. I searched both Hobby Lobbies here in Las Vegas. They didn't have it. I talked to the girls trying to figure out when they were gonna get it again. They couldn't give me an answer, but I finally caved and bought it online, and then I had to wait for it to get here to film this, so that's why I'm behind on my fall decorating, to be honest, all because of this sign. I had to have this. But it is a pumpkin spice latte like recipe placard. It is made of metal, but it's so stinking cute. I mean, I love this. So pretty. It's gonna look so nice on my coffee bar. I really, really love this. And it's a real recipe. You can follow it, you know, word for word and make yourself a pumpkin spice latte. So love this. I had to have it. It was $19.99 and then 40% off, but it was well worth the wait. All right, last few things from Hobby Lobby. I did get 3 of these pumpkin placemats. So pretty, so bright, so orange. They were $4.99 each and then 40% off. I got 3 of these to put on my island, so I love those. Okay, next up is some floral. Now this isn't floral per se, it is actual beaded like branches. They are so, so beautiful. In hindsight, I wish I would have got more. I only got 2. They were $6.99 a piece and 40% off, but they are gorgeous to intermingle into like some floral or just to leave them on their own, but so, so pretty and sparkly. And last up for the florals, I got a bunch of these. I don't know what they're called. It is made out of foam, but they're so pretty. I got this mustard color, got this mustard colored one, and then these burnt orange ones. I got 2 of each. Love those, so pretty. Okay, and last but not least from Hobby Lobby was this gorgeous, huge thankful sign. So big, like it came in a large box. I don't think this is doing it justice. But this is $29.99. I did get it 40% off, but I plan on putting this above my kitchen cabinets on top of there with some pumpkins, and it's gonna have the orange backlighting. It's gonna be really, really, really pretty. And I might even leave this up all year round. It's really nice. So got that. All right guys, almost through it. Last up is JoAnn's. I did get a ton of floral from JoAnn's. I feel like JoAnn's is so underrated. I don't see a lot of people talking about it as much, especially for their florals. They have great, great variety and great choice of florals. So I did get 3 of these bunches. Thought these were gorgeous. Got 3 of them here. It's got white, orange, burnt orange, some creams. There's some eucalyptus leaves in there, some fern. There's all kinds of stuff. Thought these were really, really pretty. We'll find a place for those. And from JoAnn's again, I got some really pretty eucalyptus leaves in this burnt orange color. It's got some little berries on here. Really, really pretty. Got a ton of those. I got 4 and they're very, very full, as you can see. Really love these. Love this color for fall. All right, and lastly is these reddish orange berries. These were $9.99. So were the eucalyptus leaves as well as the other smaller picks. Sorry, I forgot to mention, but these were all $9.99. But here they are. And I believe I had like 50% off, if I'm not mistaken. So I did get a really good deal. But here are these ones. It's like a burnt orange berry, super pretty. Love these so much. We'll find a place for these. I don't know right now, but that's the art and the fun of decorating, is playing around with things. And then from JoAnn's, I also got this. This was a little pricier. This was $24.99, but I got half off of that. But it is this grateful gold sign with this wood base. I plan on putting it on my dining room table. I got that. Like I mentioned, I got a ton of pumpkins. I'm not gonna try to hold all of them up here, but I did get 3 of these big orange ones. These were $16.99 with half off. Like I said, I got 3 of these. And I got a beautiful little stem up here. Really nice, good size, good quality. I got 3 of these cream ones as well. I really love the shape of this one, and the stem is gorgeous as well. This one was $16.99 with half off. And then I got 2 of these little smaller smushed kind of style pumpkins. Again, the stem is really pretty on these. And these were $9.99 a piece. Love those, so pretty. So I got a ton of fake pumpkins from JoAnn's and Walmart, ton of pumpkins. All right, lastly from JoAnn is a DIY. I'm gonna be making a mini pumpkin wreath. You guys should stay tuned if you wanna see it. But first I did wanna show you what I'm gonna use to make it. So I got a ton of these bagged little mini pumpkins in the orange color, in this cream color, and in this golden mustard color. So I got 2 of each bag. I got 2 bags of each color. Here we go. I'm not gonna take this completely out of the bag because it's so messy. I am gonna have to make this outside or at least cover my table. But I did get this very large 18-inch wicker wreath that I'm going to insert the pumpkins into. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that DIY. I'm super excited about it. It's super simple, but super cute. These little bags of pumpkins were $9.99 a piece, half off. And it is definitely cheaper if you make it than to buy one of these at this size. So definitely stay tuned. All right guys, like I said earlier in the video, I did want to share with you a few things that I got last year that Hobby Lobby does still have for sale this year. So first thing is this Hello Fall sign. I love this sign so much, so cute. I don't have a price because it was last year, but they do still have this year if you want to go out and get it. Now, if you've walked into a Hobby Lobby this year, then you know that that navy blue color is really big again, which is perfect. Those are my colors. I love to mix the navy blue with the orange. So I got these last year, but they did have them again this year. So there's little bright navy blue pumpkins. This one says give thanks. This one says simply blessed. There is a price on the back of these. So these were $4.99. So I would imagine that they're the same price this year. These are so cute, and I saw them again and I was like, oh, so glad I got them last year. So they blend in perfectly with my color scheme. And lastly were these gorgeous navy blue pumpkins. They did have them again this year. I did see them only at one of my Hobby Lobbies, but I know they had them online. But these are gorgeous. They were a little bit more pricey. I don't have stickers, so I can't tell you how much they are, but these are gorgeous. If you love that glass hand-blown pumpkin, stunning, can't go wrong. All right guys, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I got. I will link everything that I can down below if it's still available to purchase, if you want to purchase it for yourself. I am going to start filming my fall decorate with me, like probably tomorrow. I could start right now, but it's already like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I definitely will get started on that for you guys, so stay tuned. That will be the next video that is coming from me. I will also be filming a fall decorate with me outside, but I am going to wait a little bit longer. It is still 100 degrees, 102, 104 here in Vegas every day, so definitely not quite fall weather quite yet. So that will be coming soon, probably towards the end of September. I don't want to be that crazy lady with fall decor and pumpkins and leaves outside when it still feels like summer, so it's coming, I promise. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.